Hello, good morning again. This is Sham Girani, SSK Travels on an exploration of Mumbai weekend. This place is having temple, a small temple of Lord Krishna. The, it's surrounded by the coconut trees. Just look at the wonderful mastery and architectures built by the birds for staying in the upcoming monsoon. So the monsoon is arriving and they are preparing their shelter home. Look at the top one. The top one is laying the foundation of his home, and the one below it, right side, has already built his nest. So this is nature, the world nature. Nature has given each and every living being an intellectual capacity and as well as personal capacity, intellectual capacity and personal strength for their own survival. For this is nature. This is the mother nature. Human beings are still trying to overtake the creations of God, creations of the nature. I ask one question: can any human being produce such nature's beauty? Is there anybody in this world that can produce such beautiful natures? Creation. Thank you very much. SSK Channel, Sham.